In this video, we're taking a look at 7-pin magnetic cables. Magnetic cables aren't new, but previous generations had less pins and only supported basic 5-volt charging. Now that we have 7 pins, this can actually negotiate fast charging just like a regular power delivery cable. But unlike a regular power delivery cable, this is magnetic. So this makes it ideal for unpredictable situations such as IRL streaming, when someone or something might bump into the cable, and instead of breaking the phone, the cable itself will just break away. And that leads us to our sponsor, LiveSearch.app. LiveSearch.app is a search engine for live streaming video. Just type in some keywords and LiveSearch will search against tens of thousands of live streams and multiple providers to find what you're looking for. Now, if you're an IRL streamer, this cable is probably what you're looking for. As I said, it's magnetic. It's strong enough to stay attached to the phone, as you can see here, but if I pull fast, it breaks away, which is exactly what we're looking for. This particular pack of cables is a 4-pack with 2 3-foot cables and 2 6-foot cables, 4 micro USB tips and 4 USB-C tips. As far as installing, it's pretty easy. These cables, these tips just naturally want to attach to the cables. So start off just like usual. You just want to plug in the cable as you would any other cable. But this time, when you press the cable in firmly and you break away, the tip will stay inside and the cable itself can be reattached very easily. The magnet just really wants to go in there. I haven't had a time that it doesn't connect properly. It's actually pretty amazing. To make sure everything is good, we'll use this USB cable checker, and as you can see, 7 lights light up indicating that we have those 7 pins. Now, to do some real-life testing, we'll use this other USB digital tester that will show us the volts and watts that are going to these devices. This is a portable battery bank that supports up to 100 watts. This cable only supports 60, and as you can see here, it's pushing the 60 watts to the device. It's charging up. To test fast charging, we can just simply use the phone, and you'll see on the meter that it's showing 9 volts. And to show the regular charging capabilities, we'll use this power bank with the micro USB port on the side, and as you can see, it's pulling the 5 volts. So while these cables pass the test, there are a few cons to consider. First off, these tips are magnetic. That means you cannot swallow these or you will die. So while these might be ideal for charging, children's tablets because they'll easily break away, they need to be old enough that they know that they cannot eat these. The second major issue, as you can see here, once the tip is installed, it's kind of exposed. That could leave it vulnerable to static discharge. There could be physical situations that this is sitting on the table and it's not protected by the case. So you might want to just pull this back off when you're not using it for IRL streaming. And then the last thing to point out is if your phone is actually thinner, we're starting to see phones go back into that thinner direction again. If the tip is thinner than your phone, then when you set your phone down, you're going to be putting pressure on the USB port. With those pros and cons out of the way, I do think this is an excellent cable for those unpredictable use cases. And if you'd like to buy this product, I do have Amazon affiliate links in the description and comments down below. Disclaimer, as an Amazon affiliate, I may make a commission when you use those links at no cost to you, even if you decide to buy a different product. And if you have any questions or comments about this product, please leave them down in the comments down below. And with that, thank you for watching.